This is our pallet couch. It's actually two pieces. They don't quite match, but all the angles match. So it works. And what we've done is, inside this moisture barrier thing, you can see the three cushions. Those were made from a memory foam mattress. We took the covers off our old couch cushions and zipped them up in there. And then we zipped it all up in this to keep it from pet accidents and such. So we just put it back on. The whole thing goes right back on there. Pretty easy. And the advantage of this furniture is it can be completely taken apart and completely washed and cleaned. And it's not like the cheap shit you buy at the Ashley furniture store that the memory foam gets smashed down. It looks all shitty after a year. We've had this for 2 years now. And for pets, which we have, it's a must-have. All the cushions and everything comes off. You just use throw pillows, as you can see right there. Just covered up with some nice blankets or whatever. And it's perfectly fine. It's also very comfortable. Thank you for watching.